I was that kid. While other kids played outside, I lived in front of screens. Hours and hours completely lost in digital worlds. My friends mocked how I walked, how I sat. Stand up straight, they'd laugh. But after a while, you forget. You always forget. Sound familiar? We're all that kid now.
Man, what's up with that posture? Hey, what did I just tell you? Chin up! Just try this, man. Yeah, just put it like vertically, and yeah, you just need to calibrate once you're straight up.
Straighty, your smart posture companion.